The final method we're going to use is elimination. So for this case we need to write out our equations again. Y equals 3x plus 1 and y equals negative x take 3. Now we want to add or subtract one of these equations to eliminate one of these variables. Okay, so I'm going to do it by eliminating the x's in this case. So I'm going to call this 1, equation 1, and this equation 2. So in order for me to add these together and eliminate an x, 3x plus negative x will still give me 2x. So I need this to be negative 3x, okay? And this is 3x. So therefore I can multiply equation 2 by 3, okay? So I multiply each of these parts by 3. So 3 times y gives me 3y equals 3 times negative x gives me negative 3x. Take away 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay, so this is now equation 3. I'm going to add equation 3 to equation 1 now. So I'm going to put them underneath each other. So y equals 3x plus 1. So I've just copied that one down here, whereas this is equivalent to equation 2. It's just everything's being multiplied by 3. So now I can literally add these equations. So 3y plus y gives me 4y. Negative 3x plus 3x, which is what we were trying to eliminate, gives me 0, and negative 9 plus 1 gives me negative 8. I can therefore solve for y. Divide both sides by 4. 4 divided by 4 gives me 1. So that's going to give me y equals negative 8 divided by 4 equals negative 2. Okay, so we've got a value for y. Now we can just substitute it into either one of these to find x. So let's substitute y equals minus 2 into equation 1. So I'm going to substitute it in here. So to find x. So therefore negative 2 equals 3x plus 1. Now I want to get x on its own. So let's simplify this. Let's take 1 from both sides. So therefore negative 2 take away 1 is negative 3 equals 3x. Positive 1 take 1 equals 0. So if 3x equals negative 3, I can divide both sides by 3. And therefore negative 3 divided by 3 gives me negative 1. And 3x divided by 3 gives me x. So therefore I've got a value for x and I've got a value for y, and my solution is negative 1, negative 2, or you can write it as x equals negative 1, y equals negative 2.